Hi, I'm Sierra Greyhawk, GTM Marketing Specialist here at CloneForce. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use the Generate Infographic skill with your clone in Clone Studio. You'll learn how to create polished, on-brand infographics in just a few clicks. Plus, I'll reveal a pro tip about how your clone automatically applies CloneForce's unique style to every graphic it makes. Stick around for that bonus knowledge. Let's get started. First, from your Clone Studio dashboard, scroll through your clones and select the one you want to use for generating your infographic. For this demo, I'll use my own clone, Sierra Greyhawk, GTM Product Marketing Specialist. Just click on the clone's card to open their details. Next, click the New Chat button to start a fresh conversation. It's a best practice to rename your thread to something descriptive, like Q4 infographic or marketing visuals, so you can find it easily later. Now, let's make sure your clone has the Generate Infographic skill enabled. Go to the Skills tab and look for Clone Generate Infographic Skill. If it's already enabled, you're good to go. If not, click Add Skills and search for Infographic. If the skill appears, just click Add and Enable. If it doesn't, that means it's already active. Click on the skill to review its description. This tells you exactly how to trigger the skill and what inputs it needs. A prompt describing your infographic and optional fields for a logo URL, a style reference URL, and the size of your graphic. Remember, any URLs you use must be publicly accessible. Return to the Chat tab and select the thread you just created. This is where you'll interact with your clone to generate your infographic. Let's walk through a real example. Here's a prompt you might use. Generate me a 1024x Swimfine 36 infographic that highlights 5 value drivers of Clone Studio by CloneForce. Use CloneForce styling. Showcase the CloneForce logo in the bottom left corner. Logo URL. Once you send your prompt, your clone will confirm its processing, then deliver a link to your finished infographic. You can view or download it instantly and ask for another version if you need tweaks. You don't have to come up with the perfect prompt yourself. Try asking your clone for ideas like, can you help me put together a concept for a prompt that explains how Clone Studio clones improve efficiency? Your clone will suggest creative directions such as before and after scenarios, role-based use cases, or interactive workflow visualizations. Pick one you like and ask your clone to generate an infographic on that concept. For instance, if you choose interactive workflow visualization, just say, I like number 5. Do a 1536 e-tone 24 infographic on that. Your clone will confirm, generate the infographic, and share the download link. This is a great time to pause and review the image, see how the workflow is visualized, and consider what you might want to adjust or highlight. Remember how we asked for CloneForce styling in our prompt? Here's something cool. Every clone at CloneForce has access to a detailed style guide in their knowledge files. If you navigate to the Knowledge tab, you'll see the CloneForce Style Guide MD file. This document contains all of our fonts, color hex codes, HTML samples, and iconography. When your clone creates graphics, documents, or even HTML, it automatically applies these brand guidelines. So everything stays polished and on brand with zero extra effort from you. And now you know. That's how easy it is to use the Generate Infographic skill in Clone Studio. You can create stunning on-brand visuals in seconds, collaborate with your clone for ideas, and even ensure brand consistency with built-in style guides. If you found this helpful, check out our other how-to videos, like generating marketing creatives or automating reports with your clone. And if you have questions, our team is always here to help. Thanks for watching and happy creating.